Welcome back to Prepper Boss. Today we're going to take a washing machine that will not start and show you how to make an easy repair so it's as good as new in under an hour. Today's project is going to be fixing the washing machine. If you ever go on to start the washing machine, sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. I'll show you the solution today. Here's the tools you'll need. An electrical tester to test the plug to make sure it's off. A pair of needle nose pliers, possibly. 3 different nut drivers. 5/16, 11/32, and 1/4 for our General Electric top loading washing machine. As you will see in this video, I determined that the button on the circuit board was faulty because I could bypass it with a paper clip. That's the other thing you'll need, is a paper clip. And I always use a magnetic nut and bolt holder so I don't lose any. So basically I went to Amazon, put in the product number, searched for the equivalent part number that's on the existing circuit board that's not working properly. Ordered it, got it Amazon Prime in 2 days, installed it in just a few minutes, and the washing machine is back working like new. If this is a problem you have, or even if it's not a GE, please go to the link in the description, and that'll take you to my store where I earn small commissions on any Amazon products that are purchased. That would really help the channel out. Stay tuned as we make this repair. First thing you do is unplug the machine. An easy way to get the knobs off is to put a string or a paracord behind the knob and just pull it out. And we unscrew it from the back.
Panel comes up, slides over, turn it up.
Unscrew the plate.
Then there's a bracket. Unscrew the bracket.
Then the control board pulls out from the plate, or the bracket. So this is the part we think is faulty, this little button right here. And the way we'll test this is we'll carefully pop this open a little bit. We'll replug the washer back in, and I will take a paper clip to bypass the switch to see if it turns on the water. We'll bypass the switch and it turns on the water. That means this switch is bad. So if you look on this control board, on the back is a part number right here. If you put the part number in my case on Amazon, this part came up for a little over $100. Check my description below for an Amazon link. Once I got this control panel circuit board back in place, all of these lights were flashing, which indicates some sort of error. Then I realized on the old board there was a junction, whatever this is called, that needed to go on the new one. So I put it on here. And let's plug it in and make sure that it okay, let's press the start button and see what we've got. We've got to go. Now we'll put this back together and we'll be all set. There we go, as good as new.